Today, let's dive into the key concept that helps businesses like McDonald's decide how many workers they need to run efficiently: the diminishing marginal product. Imagine a bustling McDonald's kitchen during peak hours. At first, adding more employees seems like the perfect way to handle the lunch rush, but at a certain point, those extra hands don't necessarily make things run faster. This is what we call diminishing marginal product, the point where adding more labor leads to a smaller and smaller gains in output. It's a critical concept because understanding it helps managers balance staffing and maximize productivity without wasting resources. So, what's really happening here? The concept of diminishing marginal product is based on the observation that more of a variable input like labor is added to a fixed input such as kitchen equipment or space, the additional output from extra workers starts to decline. This occurs because each new worker has less access to fixed resources needed to be fully productive. We can describe this with a simple calculation. The marginal product of labor, or MPL, is the change in the output divided by the change in labor. Essentially, how much more we produce by adding one more worker. For a business, the key is to weigh the cost of each additional worker against the reduced productivity that each brings. At some point, the cost of hiring another worker may exceed the small benefit they add, making it inefficient to hire more. The diminishing marginal product can be represented by a product function that becomes flatter as more workers are added. This flattening shows the reduction in MPL, which pushes up the total production cost without increasing the output that much. McDonald's, like any business, will reach a point where hiring extra workers just doesn't make sense because of diminished returns. In conclusion, understanding the diminishing marginal product is crucial for businesses to optimize staffing, balance costs, and keep productivity high without wasting resources. Thanks to this concept, managers can find the ideal balance between labor and resources, helping ensure both efficiency and profitability.